Alright guys, so continuing here uh, the the modeling of the hands, and let's try to clean a little bit more all those shapes and transitions and continue to refine everything. This little finger here, I think we could try to tilt it a little bit like this. And then we can correct this shape. Update the Dynamesh and rebuild everything again here. Try to keep the silhouette very clean and with a nice separation from the joint. Remember, the first fat pad will be more curved with more volume, and then the second one more straight. Also try to remember that these pads, these creases, they're going to follow a direction, a general direction. Here I'm trying to fix each finger volumes and once again refining the joints. And from here I think we can start to make some fingernails details. Let's check if we have some nice and symmetrical shapes. Here I'm gonna try to tilt this finger a little bit more for the center position. And this middle finger, we could refine like this, those joints. This ring one, I'm once again trying to recover the information for the bones and the joints. Always try to avoid this curvature in the silhouettes for each finger, because that way the joints are like over modeled. Oh wait, sorry. Working on these transitions between each finger, right? This should look like a very thin piece of skin, and really just there to blend the forms. Always trying to keep this nice curvature between each knuckles. And also be careful to keep the knuckles into the right place. The tendons coming from between each knuckles. And now the fingers are looking too small, I guess. So I'm trying to grab it each one with move brush and raising up a little bit each volume. So yes, we have everything very shred and very well defined. So I'll make it everything into a more neutral position. All right. Oh, what happened here with our finger? It seems like our character were cutting some vegetables and we have an accident. What happened here? I have no idea. But okay, let's make a surgery. Yeah, we can recover its form here, like that, and good. Here we have too much. This phalange is too big, so let's fix it. And this we're gonna need some sticks. Good. Better. Better now. Always trying to keep that proportions that we said, on thinking on the halves, the half size for each part. That's gonna help us to have the right proportion of each phalange. Sorry guys. Oops, sorry again. And here we're gonna make once again those crease lines for the interior part of each finger. We could also try to make more a subtle transition for this thumb shape. And from this part, I think we could start to. I'm not really sure if it will be good for us to subdivide or add more details on this Dynamesh, because we will change it when we go to the pose. And so if we change this here, we're gonna lose everything once we change the pose of the character, you know. And I always try to think on a neutral pose for the hands when the thumbs are inclining more in a vertical way. Here we're gonna have a bone region, so, and also this volume. Okay, so the middle, we're gonna have this line, and then we're gonna have also another line more over here, and another one into the middle part like this. Then also start to add the finger creases on its sides. And also start to make those fingernails. I like to first draw the general format with them standard. And into the tip, I like to use them standard in Z-add mode like this, so I can make the tip a little bit more reliable. Always check the orientation of each finger. In all the angles, like from this angle, I'm feeling that we could have more maybe rotated. If we tilt this part a little bit, this finger, just move the mask and center pivot, and then tilt a little bit this finger like this, should look better. Yeah, so let's continue over the next lecture.